everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Sophie stories and today talking about ETV scandal. Well guys, condolences messages continue to pour in for the Ngema and Maseko family as they finally lay their daughter Lindiwe to rest, leaving behind her parents Ntlamulo and her newborn baby. Guys, this day it's one of the most painful day kubathandi be-ETV scandal as they relate to this storyline with their reality yokulahlekelwa ngabathandiweyo babo engathi moya yabo ingaphumula ngokuthula. Let's read the few comments ukuthi bathini abathandi be-ETV scandal. It felt real painful, like it was true. She is normal, but did you had to leave ETV scandal like that way? Hope you are going to find happiness and joy as your fans will love you. Shine, mamas. As for Nhlax Ntwana Badi, man, speechless, but you got this without mamas. But she left you a beautiful daughter, Leruna. That's the best gift ever. Then Rosiwati, hi man, this is so emotional to watch. This part is so emotional. This is too much. Ntlamulo's love for Lindiwe was genuine. May her soul rest in peace, mamas. Or may your soul rest in peace, mamas. And I had to cry. I'm feeling sorry for Nhlax. How is he going to cope? It is true. Good things don't last. Their love was unbreakable, but death has separated them now. Rest in peace, mamas. Oh God, this is so. This one is the painful funeral ever. Trusting their love for each other, and Nhlax made sure it's super genuine, or super beautiful and awesome. Send off. Rest in peace, Lindy. You'll forever be in our hearts, mamas. Rest in peace. I don't think I will watch this episode. I remember how I cried watching Langa's funeral on the river sometime last year. Everything reminded me of my mom's funeral. Now I lost my dad too. This scene will break me. Oh, guys, as I was saying, they take it very serious, or they relate it to their reality. As Ulerato Asho, it just reminded her of her mother's funeral, and now she just lost her father too. So guys, yeah, condolences to her too. And Violet Swati, I will attend Lindy's funeral with a cocktail at hand and enough tissues. This is very sad, forever in our hearts. So yeah guys, this kind of scenes when uyithola so khala lokho okuserious. My daughter asked me ushone ngampela mama, and I was like, no baby, they are playing, because like you could catch the emotions with storylines sub, this is real, but anyway guys, they are playing. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your feeling about this current storyline, say ETV scandal. Bye.